In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the default footer in your ActiveCampaign emails with a custom footer that matches your branding. First, open the campaign or email template you want to edit and launch the Email Designer. Scroll to the bottom of your email and add a new text block to the layout. Now click inside the text block and open Personalization Tags. From the available options, go to Message and select Unsubscribe Link. This adds the required unsubscribe option to your custom footer. Next, open Personalization Tags again, go to Message and select List Sender Info. This adds the required physical mailing information to the footer. You can now customize the rest of the footer with your own branding, text, or social media links. Make sure both the unsubscribe link and list sender information are included in your custom footer. These required elements allow ActiveCampaign to recognize it as a replacement for the default footer. Once you're finished, click outside the text block and review the email. The default system footer should automatically be hidden when ActiveCampaign detects the required personalization tags in your custom footer. Finally, preview the email and send yourself a test message to make sure the footer looks correct and that the unsubscribe link works properly. And that's how you change the default footer in your ActiveCampaign email. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.